The Air Raid Sales Offense, my new book, is out now, both in print and in audiobook. And if you have any interest in sales and understanding how to sell more and where profitability comes from, you're going to like it. Also, if you like football, you're also going to like it. And if you're not that big of a reader, that's okay. If you know how I write, small words, small sentences, short chapters, lots of white space, large font, you're going to like this book, Air Raid Sales Offense. So buy a copy today. Buy one for each member of your team. Go to airraidSalesOffense.com.